You're doing lead generation all wrong. This is how you do lead generation with Google. I want to tell you that there is an unfair advantage just for Boston kitchen remodelers like yourself, and you need to know this one thing. Now, what if you could grow your business more quickly with these turnkey digital assets that are already in front of your targeted clients and reduce the wasted time you spend working on stuff you just do not like or enjoy at all? Would that be cool with you? If it is, let's carry on because I'm going to show you some proof real quick. I want you to check this out before I go any further in this because we specialize in helping home service pros and renovation contractors like you with instant turnkey results. And what we do is we start with a specified service like what you're doing in a specific geographic territory or area. And then we take the time to carefully research the best targeted keywords that real people search when they go to Google when they're ready to make a purchase decision related to what you're doing. Then we do all the painful work it takes to build sites, pages, research, everything, and be able to dominate all the top spots for dozens upon dozens of high-value, high-intent keywords right there in Google. And we do it in a way that allows us to immediately point all the benefit, the phone, the email, the contact form people fill out to set up and schedule an appointment or to get a quote. We take all that and we make it so it's easy as a turn of a key to point it to one business in the area, just as simple as that. We're even currently releasing exactly this kind of turnkey footprint in your area for kitchen remodeling services, and we can give you all the immediate benefits right away. All you have to do is grab it before your competition does because we can only do this for one specific service and one specific geographic area like yours. Maybe you've tried to fix this by hiring marketing consultants. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. But if you have tried that, it might not have worked out as well as you thought it should because, I don't know, I've heard this story quite a few times. Maybe they were great at taking your money, but not so great at delivering results. And to make matters worse, doing nothing about this really only results in more of the same. You're faced with a dilemma here. So you can keep doing more of the same and keep struggling with figuring out how to attract new clientele. Or you can try to figure it out all by yourself alone. Hope you get lucky with that. Or you can get in front of the right clientele at the right time. Because if only there were an easy way to do that, right? Well, the good news is there is. It does not have to be hard anymore. This will take you from struggling with figuring all that out all the way to giving you an immediate stronghold on top of Google with the turn of a key. Again, see for yourself. This is the kind of thing we do for kitchen renovation contractors like you. We are able to take these types of results and dominate very quickly. And when we have these kinds of results, we can literally take the phone number and point it to your phone number. The contact forms that are filled out point them to yours. There are dozens and dozens of pages and digital assets. These are people who are in a high level of readiness to spend money hiring someone like you to do it. And as you can see, we dominate page 1 of Google in so many cities, and we are bringing this to your backyard right now and releasing a similar footprint like this. And we want to give you the opportunity to be able to put this in your own hands and be able to dominate with a turnkey. What is it worth to you to be able to grow your business more quickly with something like this? This turnkey visibility footprint more than pays for itself when you land just one new deal as a direct result of it. Would that be worth it? Is that a yeah or a heck yeah? Well, maybe you're asking that. How can I get this? It is very normal for this to go for over $2,000 a month, and that's pretty cool. That's a great deal. Well, we want to give you the chance to lock it in before your competition takes it. And we're literally going to make this possible, ready to get started for less than half of anything we normally do. And it will help you by bringing your business in front of our ideal customers at the right time. And all it stands between you and me in front of more of your ideal clients and customers is securing this pre-ranked turnkey visibility footprint now. Are you ready to get started and dominate page 1 of Google? All you've got to do is get in touch before any of your competitors do and grab it and just get started today. Position your brand at the top where it belongs. Secure your spot on page 1 with our proven ranking websites. So get in touch and let's make it happen.